Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, one local cricket analyst has expressed concern over the batting options of the Jamaica Tallawahs squad ahead of the 2020 season of the Caribbean Premier League. As Simon Preston reports, concerns were raised following this season's draft on Monday.
19-year-old Nepalese spinner Sandeep Lamichhane was the highest-profile signing for the Jamaica Tallawahs at the virtual draft. Lamichhane was a member of the Barbados Tridents team that won the 2019 edition of the tournament, and he took 8 wickets in that successful campaign. He reacted to being drafted by the Tallawahs.
We're really looking forward to it and can't wait to, get back to cricket again. It's been a long time. I didn't play cricket on the field, so now getting back to the rhythm in the nets as well. So, yeah, really looking forward.
The other 4 overseas players that will be decking out for the franchise are Glenn Phillips of New Zealand, South African Tabriz Shamsi, Pakistani Asif Ali, and American Ryan Prasad. 7 Jamaicans will be suiting up for the Tallawahs this season, as Andre McCarthy, Javor Royal and Nkrumah Bonner are the trio that have been added alongside the retained quartet of Andre Russell, Rovman Powell, O'Shane Thomas and Chadwick Walton. The rest of the squad reads Carlos Brathwaite, Fidel Edwards, Preston McSween, Nicholas Curtin and Veerasamy Permaul. TVJ Sports cricket analyst Christopher A. Gale has concerns on the batting lineup.
My only disappointment as it relates to the batting, I think most of the guys that I see in the batting lineup have similar styles. Most power hitters, you look at Chadwick Walton, Andre Russell. I think most of the guys who make up the batting are power hitters. What I think the team is missing is that stable number 3 that can add real value to the batting unit.
The Tallawahs finished at the foot of the table in the 2019 edition of the tournament, which was their worst performance in the history of the CPL. A few other Jamaicans will be around the league this season, as the St. Lucia Zooks drafted Javel Glenn, while the Guyana Amazon Warriors have held on to Brandon King and Dean Smith. Meanwhile, the St. Kitts and Nevis Patriots will welcome Dennis Bulai, who has been drafted for the CPL for the first time. He will join compatriots Fabian Allen and Sheldon Cottrell. A bit of history will be created in the CPL this season, as it will feature an Indian player for the first time. Former Rajasthan Royals spinner Praveen Tambe has been drafted by the Trinbago Knight Riders at 48 years of age. The 2020 draft was done remotely due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The competition will run from August 18 to September 10. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.